by metal detecting around some of these houses that got hit by the tornado, I actually found some lead in the ground. And another gentleman who I was helping look for some stuff, I asked him, hey, can I have this waffle plate? He says, well, sure. And so I'm gonna try and make a waffle lead commemorative ingot, all out of stuff from the tornado. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've leveled out my waffle iron using my torpedo level and some screwdrivers as wedges. I've done all the calculations and I don't think there's any need for taking any more precautions on anything. This is my first time doing it, so we're gonna try to pour in this section here. It seems to be the cleanest. Well, the lead's getting nice and hot. We've got some dross up on top there. We're gonna scrape that off. That's some of the stuff they add to make different hardness of the lead. My pan's pretty cold, so I'm making sure this thing gets really hot. So hopefully I get a good pour. Well, here goes attempt number one at making a lead waffle ingot. Okay, that's definitely harder than it looks. I'm going to now take this out and we're going to be melting this again. And whoa, that's heavy. That's what it looks like. So attempt number one turned out pretty cool. Okay, let's try the second time, and of course we can trim off edges. I think I'm going to keep refining that. It's really hot still, but I too like to live dangerously. So yeah, I'm going to figure out a better pour, but they're turning out better, I think. Neat thing about lead is, well, you can cut it up and keep reusing it as many times as you want, as long as you don't acquire some sort of birth defect in the meantime. It's fun to play with toxic things. Well, last little bit heating up there. That's the reason why I cut it up when it was hot, because it'll melt a lot quicker. I can get a repour faster. So sure, I did burn all my fingers, but I get more fun per hour. Okay, so I think I need to pour in a pattern like this, which is easier said than done. And I need to keep it low. Too much in that one, not enough in that one. Okay, lead waffle ingot take number gazillionth. Yeah. Let's try another one of these. Whomper. So what I've done is I've poured like 3 pounds of hot lead in here, and I'm letting that preheat this section over here and see if it pours better now. So it doesn't cool down as quickly. I think that does help. Well, I'm gonna let these two here, that's like 4 pounds of lead, hot lead, preheat this plate and see if it'll do a better job on this last one. So, my problem is I don't go fast enough because I don't want to splatter, but it doesn't flow good enough. So, not looking too bad. I think we're coming on to something. So these 3 have been preheating this pan, so hopefully this one will pour pretty nicely in there without cooling down and solidifying too fast. A little better. I gotta go. We'll refine it more later. Oh, hi, y'all. The waffles are done. Let's get them out. Look at those beauts, huh? Three-pound waffles. Gonna need a lot of syrup to get them babies soft. Kind of a cool novelty. I'll trim the edges off, rub them real good, get some lead on my hands, then wash them.